All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Paul Barrett. He is the executive director of Pathfinder Minerals. And Paul, it's good to see you. How are you?
I'm very well, thanks.
And you're soon to become the CEO of the new Rome Resources as the two companies are merging together. So maybe talk to us a little bit about the process and take us up to today.
Sure. Well, Pathfinder Minerals is basically it's an AIM cash shell. So it disposed of its Mozambique asset about 6 to 9 months ago, and has since then been looking for a new project to work on. So Rome Resources came along. We really like the project. It's a very high grade tin project. The experienced team in the DRC, they've really struggled in Canada to raise cash, and decided to come to London. So they're going to reverse into Pathfinder, and the enlarged entity is raising £4 million in conjunction with the transaction. So we'll be ready to roll. We're starting drilling probably within a week or so. So it's all go.
And the new company will be then listed on the AIM. Is that right?
That's right. As from tomorrow morning, we're actually opening the stock exchange tomorrow morning. So that'll be when we hit the decks.
Nice, nice. And what's your what's your ticker there so everyone is able to follow it?
It's RMR. So Pathfinder, in fact, only about an hour ago, changed its name from Pathfinder to Rome Resources. So hopefully there'll be no confusion. RMR is the ticker.
Okay, good. RMR, perfect. We got that. So let's talk about drilling and the project. You mentioned it's a tin project in the DRC. Obviously, tin is something people are looking at these days. It's getting a lot of play around the world, even though people may not even be aware of that. So tell me a bit about this project and sort of the work that's been done on it.
Okay, so it's one of the projects that the team. So we've got Mark Gasson and Klaus Eckhoff are the two geologists who've been active in the DRC for a couple of decades, both of them, and they brought several projects from discovery through to monetization, including one just down the road from this current project. So the Alphamin tin mine, which is the highest grade tin mine in the world, is about 8 kilometers away. It's in the same play. So what Klaus and Mark have done is they've kind of extended their their reach out to go round this tin granite so that it's all the same play. So initially there were tin soil anomaly maps provided, and there were two anomalies, one of which is a pure tin anomaly, and one of which is a polymetallic. It's got copper and tin. And then subsequently, Rome undertook some drilling, relatively limited drilling, just a few core holes in each one, that they came up with some really good grades. So it's very encouraging. It looks very similar to the Alphamin deposit. And so the next phase of work is to drill, infill, and extend what we know about it so that we can evaluate the resource potential. And that's all going to happen over the next few months.
Yeah, is it going to be a fairly large drill program?
Well, it's about 3,000 meters, 16,
Okay.
maybe a little bit more drilling. We're going to have 2 or 3 rigs initially, and there is a potential one for a fourth rig coming along in September. So we're really going to get after it. And I think the main target of this is to come up with a resource number by the end of the year or the new year 25.
Yeah. Paul, I would imagine there's been a lot of work in getting to this particular point. How excited are you to have it done and now obviously to get on to what you're enjoying, which is the drilling part of it. It must be a pretty
Well,
exciting time for you.
exactly. I mean, that's what geologists, get up for, really, is to do this kind of thing. Um, Really good. I mean, it ticks the boxes. The high grade, the fact that the team is really experienced in DRC. I mean, DRC obviously has some challenges, but they've done a lot, and they know how it works down there. We've found investors in London who are supportive, and so I think with the work program coming up, as I say, we should be ready to be drilling within a week or two. There'll be a lot of news flow going forward the next few months.
All right. Well, we look forward to following it all. Paul, thanks very much. Congratulations on this, and we look forward to talking soon. Okay.
My pleasure. Thanks, Steve.
All right. There's Paul Barrett. He is the CEO of Rome Resources.